Welcome back to the Love 500 how-to series. We've just shown you on another video how to remove the airbag. The reason for you may want to remove the airbag is because you want to remove the steering wheel. You can't remove the steering wheel without removing that airbag. So if you need to know how to remove the airbag, look at the other videos. I'll put a link to it just here on this one. Once you've got the airbag off, obviously the battery is still disconnected. You've got a rubber protector over the nut. You have to take that off. So take that off, put it to one side, and then the bolt is held on by a single bolt. That single bolt is a 24mm socket. So you need to take the keys out of the ignition if they're in, and make sure the steering lock is on, like that, which will stop the steering wheel just from turning. So you get the 24mm socket on there. It's never particularly torqued up very high, and then you just remove that bolt, and there you go. Put that, sorry, but nut, not bolt. When you put that nut to one side, don't lose it, obviously. Now, to get the steering wheel off, that is the only thing that's holding it on, is that one bolt. To get it off, you need to do a bit of a pull in and a bit of a wiggle to get it off, and then it will just come off that centre spigot there. Now when you do that, you need to be careful with these wires. These wires will, they go through a hole here onto the clock spring that's behind this. If this is a pop model, so it hasn't got steering wheel controls. If this was a lounge model, it would have an extra connector here, which will connect the steering wheel controls, and they would run around the inside of the steering wheel. So you'd have extra wiring. All that wiring can just go through the hole. There's usually another connector which connects here, which is like a maroon coloured connector that will disconnect the extra wires on the clock spring from the steering wheel controls. As I say, this is a pop, so it hasn't got any of that. So you get hold of it, give it a wiggle, and off it comes. Just let those wires go through, and that's it. Steering wheel is off. That's all you need to know for this video. It's a very short video, but that is another Love 500 how-to series on how to remove a Fiat 500 steering wheel. If you found this video useful and you aren't a subscriber, please like, share and subscribe the video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That does help us with the channel. And have a look around at the other videos, and there's lots of videos on the channel to show you how to do various things on a Fiat 500. Thanks for watching.